Alright, we're going to demo our Doall Model TM-1822. 18 by 22 capacity, tilt frame. We're feeding forward now. Okay. Has hydraulic vices. It goes 60 degrees left and 60 degrees right. On the control you can see you have the machine start. Here's your blade speed. Turn, oh, that's on and off. Here's the blade speed. AC variable drive. Semi-automatic in progress. Left vice. You have to have the vices closed for it to operate. There's your feed force on the left. Your feed rate on the right. Head fast approach. Won't work now. Has the mist unit over here. Also has a flood coolant system. There's your hydraulic pressure. Oh, vice pressure, variable vice pressure, so you don't crush a tube. This is all guarded back here. You can see here it's a nice, neat, clean area. There's your coolant pump. Walk around here. Scale feedback for the head position. Drive unit is all right there. And there are chip pan drawers that go in here. And they pull out so when you angle the head. Like that. Oh, and it has a laser light generator to give you a line on your part when you cut it. Alright, I'm going to pause it and then we'll tilt the head. Alright, now we're going to tilt the head. It's a manual tilt. Loosen it, grab it, and then lock it down wherever you want to go. You have a very large, easy to read scale back here. Big numbers. You can see you go down to 30 degrees or 60. This being 90, of course, for straight cut. All right, that's our saw. Thanks for viewing.